Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, June 9, 2023 on our channel. MB Frigo chose CAREL to equip a small refrigeration system. Danish Technological Institute opens new test facilities for high-temperature heat pumps. DSI Dantech to supply 44 vertical plate freezers for new pelagic freezer trawler. Danfoss to offer rotary compressors for residential heat pump market. The new Neos 100 units from Carrier Transicold are being installed on Waitrose vans. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. MB Frigo chose CAREL to equip a small refrigeration system. CAREL has been chosen by MB Frigo, a company specializing in engineering, manufacturing and service of air conditioning and refrigeration units, as its partner for equipping a small refrigeration system in a new convenience store in Zagreb. The chosen solution is the new MU rack control system, featuring fast commissioning, simplified interaction and significant energy savings. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Danish Technological Institute opens new test facilities for high-temperature heat pumps. An increasing demand from industry for technology that delivers higher temperatures, as well as a general development and testing of components used for industrial heat pumps, which can help the industry with the electrification of their processes, and thus help them become independent of gas, are some of the primary reasons why Danish Technological Institute has rebuilt their laboratory in Aarhus, Denmark, and expanded with new test facilities for double XL refrigeration and heat pump systems. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. DSI Dantech to supply 44 vertical plate freezers for new pelagic freezer trawler. DSI Dantech has been chosen by Parlavlit and AMP, Vanderplas BV to supply 44 vertical plate freezers, specifically the Type V826-100 SSCO2, for their new pelagic freezer trawler. Measuring an impressive 111.5 meters and designed by Skibsnisk, Norway, the freezer trawler in Quat, NV1119 in Quat, will set new standards in fuel efficiency and sustainability. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Danfoss to offer rotary compressors for residential heat pump market. Danfoss entered into a global agreement with Highly, global manufacturer of rotary compressors, with the aim to offer rotary technology to the residential heat pump market and some selective refrigeration applications. This partnership further strengthens Danfoss' position as a preferred partner to accelerate the decarbonization of the heating sector. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. The new Neos 100 units from Carrier Transicold are being installed on Waitrose vans. Supermarket chain Waitrose and AMP Partners has seen strong performance from 7 all-electric temperature-controlled vans equipped with Carrier Transicold Neos 100 units, acquired as part of a government-funded trial to test the validity of wireless electric vehicle (EV) charging. The new vehicles also showcase how Carrier Transicold technology is helping Waitrose fully electrify all its vans and light commercial vehicles (LCVs) by 2030. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.